Hi everyone, welcome. Today, we're going to cover one of the most important, and most challenging, differences in Spanish. How many sounds does this letter make in Spanish? In Spanish, the letter R has two distinct sounds. The soft R, like a single tap. The strong RR, the rolled R. It's not just one letter, they are two completely different sounds. The soft R is pronounced with a single, quick tap of the tongue against the roof of the mouth. It's like a small tap. Let's start by repeating these words that contain the soft R sound. We'll practice them several times until you feel confident and comfortable. If it doesn't sound right the first time, don't worry at all, keep going. Remember, every time you practice, you get better. Practice makes perfect.
Toro,
Toro,
oro,
oro,
pera,
pera,
aro,
aro.
The double R, RR, is pronounced with several continuous vibrations of the tongue. The tongue vibrates or rolls. When it is written as RR, always between vowels, it produces the strong R sound. It is also pronounced strongly when the letter R appears at the beginning of a word, after the letters L, N, or S. Let's practice and repeat these sounds until they feel easy and natural to pronounce.
carro,
Carro,
zorro,
zorro,
torre,
torre,
perro,
perro.
Remember that even though it's just one letter, its sound is always strong when it appears at the beginning of a word.
rojo,
Rojo,
rosa,
rosa.
Remember that the letter R also has a strong sound, even though it's just one letter, when it comes after the letters L, N, or S.
alrededor,
Alrededor,
Enrique,
Enrique,
Israel.
Israel.
That's all for today's lesson on the letter R. Don't forget to subscribe and keep studying more Spanish lessons. See you later.